Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So I actually cannot believe that 2024 is coming to an end. Like, that is crazy to me. I literally feel like this year just started and it like flew by, but at the same time, it felt like a really long year. I don't know, it's very, very weird to explain. But anyways, so I was thinking I kind of wanted to do a video where I tell you guys my like top 10 Amazon beauty / makeup must-haves for under $30 because I just realized that I order so much of my stuff from Amazon. I shared a bunch of stuff that I've ordered from Amazon, but like I've never done like one dedicated video to like my beauty and makeup must-haves from Amazon. The best part of this whole thing is all of these are under $30 and they're all freaking fabulous. If you guys are interested in my Amazon beauty makeup must-haves for under $30, then go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and let's get into this. So I was gonna start with like my #1 most repurchased products from Amazon, but honestly, like I have repurchased a ton of these, like dozens of times, so that really wouldn't make sense. So I'm gonna start with my #1 recommendation. Like this product or these products, whatever you wanna call them. These, you guys, I have spoke about a million times on TikTok, on YouTube, on Instagram. Like I have made dedicated videos to these. Like I need to like stand at the top of like a mountain and just tell you guys and scream at the top of my lungs that you guys need these makeup sponges. You guys, you get 6 of these makeup sponges for $9.95. These are the super soft Paw Paw ShopMy Wonder Blender, and let me tell you, they are a wonder. They are the best makeup sponges I have ever tried. I haven't heard my spiel about these before. Let me give you a quick little backstory. So I was a like beauty blender girl like for years, since like 2015, and for some reason my makeup over the last like year and a half was kind of like looking like shit, and I was like, what is going on? Like the beauty blender was just rough. It wasn't soft. It was like leaving indentations like on my skin, and I was just like, my makeup is looking horrible. And I don't like to use brushes for like my foundation and my concealer because I feel like they leave brush strokes, and I've just always been a sponge girly. For whatever reason, I went on Amazon and I saw these, and the reason I bought these is because one of my good friends, she uses these and she swears by them, and she's a makeup girly just like me. And I was like, you know what? Worst case, I waste $10 and I never use these. You guys, I have one left. I bought these in July, I believe, end of July or beginning of August, I forget. But I bought these, and you guys, I have one left. One left. I actually obviously used one today. Just look at this. Look at the consistency. It is the best makeup sponge that I have ever used. I have put everybody in my life onto them. My sister, she was having the same issue with her beauty blender, and we were going to a wedding. I've said this a million times, but we were going to a wedding and we were like, we need to figure out why our makeup is looking like shit before we go to this wedding. And you guys, I solved both of our problems with these sponges. These are fabulous. And if you're a makeup artist, these, I've seen a lot of makeup artists cut these in half and then it doubles. So instead of getting 6, now it's 12. So you could use it on your clients and you don't have to worry about going through like one sponge per client. You can just cut them in half and use like half a sponge per client, if that makes sense. So yeah, whether you're a makeup artist, whether you're a makeup lover, whether you're just a girl that's trying to get into makeup and you don't know where to start, these sponges are the absolute best sponges I've ever used, and I will continue to repurchase these because they are freaking phenomenal. Now that we've covered like my #1 like Amazon must-have, let's get into this. So this is Bioderma. This is my favorite micellar water, and I can only get it on Amazon. Like now you can get it in Target, but I still feel like you get the best bang for your buck on Amazon. You guys, I have used the same micellar water since 2015. Yes. For 10 years, this is the only one that I have used. No matter what, this doesn't irritate my skin, doesn't break me out, doesn't burn my eyes. Like that is the biggest thing. I have super sensitive eyes. I do not just use anything on my skin or my eyes, especially because of how sensitive they are. You guys, this is hands down the best micellar water out there. I literally will not travel unless I have one of these, because not only does it remove my makeup, but in the morning, like I wake up with super dry eyes, and you know, like we all wake up with like crap in our eyes, and I will just take a Q-tip, dip it in here, and just really go along over here to really get rid of like any excess makeup, anything like that, and it is so refreshing. So if you have sensitive eyes and you haven't been able to find a micellar water that works for you, this one, you guys, it's fabulous at taking off your makeup. It doesn't break me out, doesn't burn my eyes, doesn't do anything weird. It's just 10 out of freaking 10, and I literally have gone through like 50 to 100 bottles of this. Like no joke, probably closer to 100 because I've been using it for like almost 10 years at this point, and I have no regrets. I love it. It's my favorite. If you haven't tried it, you really don't know what you're missing because no micellar water compares to this. I know I was just shitting on Beauty Blender and saying that I don't like them. But you guys, one product from them that I have repurchased for years at this point is the Beauty Blender Liquid Cleansing Soap. You guys, this is the only soap that I will use to clean my sponges. It doesn't rip my sponges, doesn't irritate my skin. Like, you know, sometimes you'll use like a soap to like clean your sponge and then you'll obviously put your sponge on your face. Sometimes certain soaps that I have used have irritated my skin or broke me out. So this, you guys, I have just gone back to it time and time again. I don't even try any other brands at this point because I just know that this is the best Beauty Blender soap there is out there. I don't like the solid version of this. I specifically will only buy like the liquid version. Also buy it from Amazon because I always forget to repurchase this. So like I'll literally be like really at the bottom and I'm like, fuck, I'm almost out of Beauty Blender soap, and I clean my Beauty Blender every single day. I know there's some people that don't do that, but me, I do not risk any bacteria, anything like that. Like I literally clean my sponge every single day. So I usually always get down to like the last like few drops. So I just go on Amazon and order and then it's here the next day. So that's why I continue to repurchase this on Amazon because it's convenient. You get the most bang for your buck and it's just easy. It comes to my door in literally a day. Another product that I continue to repurchase from Amazon because again, I almost run out of it and then I'm like, I'm not gonna go to Ulta, I'm not gonna go to Sephora. Like you guys, I need convenience in my life. Like I work full time, I'm like a part-time content creator, like I have so much going on all the time that I need convenience. So Amazon is where it's at for me. This leave-in, you guys, this is the IGK Good Behavior 4-in-1 Prep Spray. It detangles, has 24-hour frizz control, 460 heat protection, and high shine. I love this. And I specifically only buy this one because I don't feel the need to buy the bigger one because this literally will last me like 3 to 4 months and then I'll just go ahead and repurchase a smaller one. And then if I'm traveling within that time frame, I don't have to worry about buying one. I could just take what I have and like be on my way. So is it kind of stupid to buy the small one? Maybe, but me personally, I like it. I have one head, like I don't even have a lot of hair, so this literally lasts me, it may even last me more than 4 months, like I don't even really know, but I just know that this lasts me a really long time. And I love it. It does a great job at protecting my hair from the humidity because my hair is a frizzy mess, like especially in the summer or if I go to Florida or something like that. So this, you guys, 10 out of 10 recommend. Again, another product that I've gone through bottles of. I will actually continue to repurchase it from Amazon because it's just convenient and I absolutely love this. Again, if you have like frizzy hair or you just need a good leave-in product, this from IGK is freaking phenomenal. I want to talk about a product that is so funny and it's really like, it's such a me product. Like it's a product that of course like I would have this. This is a mask, like an eye mask that you put in the fridge and it literally is like a cooling eye mask and you can put on your eyes to refresh your eyes, to cool down your eyes. You guys, I have really bad allergies. I have really dry eyes. I'm really sensitive when it comes to my eyes. I don't know if you guys can tell, but 99% of the time my eyes are like slightly red or pink. Like I'll never have a perfectly white eyeball and like I've just come to accept it. It is what it is. But this has become a lifesaver, you guys. For example, when I was in Aruba, I was using this like spray on like SPF and I didn't realize that it was irritating my eyes. So like the first like 2 days I was in Aruba, my eyes were on fucking fire. I literally wanted to rip them out of my head because they were driving me nuts. And thank God I brought this with me because I was like, I just know I'm gonna be in the sun. I'm gonna be like in salt water. Like I know my eyes are gonna burn at some point. You guys, the most cooling and relaxing thing like you could ever buy ever. I'm not gonna put it on right now because I have makeup on. But you guys, this, I think it was like $10 on Amazon and it is one of my most used products. I use it all the time, especially like if I wake up and I'm just really tired or if I'm sick and I'm like super congested, I will just put this on my eyes for like 10 to 15 minutes. I've actually fallen asleep so many times with this on my eyes because it's just so relaxing and I just love it. If you have puffy eyes, if you have dry eyes, if you have eyes that get irritated or you just want something to depuff or to decongest you, this, you guys, I absolutely frigging love this thing. It was like one of the best $10 I've ever frigging spent. And especially like if you're crying or you're going through like a hard time and your eyes just burn, you guys, this, I'm serious. I'm so serious when I tell you guys this. It is one of the best $10 I've ever spent. And it comes with one of these like little freezer bags so that it won't smell like your fridge or anything like that. So I love it. I think it's amazing. And if you guys suffer with like dry eyes or your eyes get super irritated or super sensitive like me, then this, you guys, is a product that I ride for. I'll put you guys on to the best face blades I have ever tried ever. So I repurchased these, I think 2 times only, because the 12 of them come in here. So literally you get 12 in here, and this lasts me for so long. But these are the derma blades from the brand Kitsch. You guys, I have tried almost every single like blade out there. I've tried the ones from Marshall's, from TJ Maxx, just from everywhere. And these are the best ones out there. Specifically love these because every time I go to repurchase them, they're always on sale. I think I spend like $8 when I buy these, and these are the literal best. And I love these because I always like blade my peach fuzz and like in between threading sessions. So I do get my lip, my chin, and my eyebrows threaded every 2 weeks. I'm Italian, I get hair all over, so it is what it is, okay? But these keep my little mustache at bay in between my threading sessions, and I just absolutely love this. I travel with them all the time. I always have them on deck because I cannot be without these. And I've noticed that when I get my face waxed, I have somewhat of a reaction to the wax, like it kind of burns my skin sometimes. So I have just stuck with doing this. Like, it gets the job done. I don't need to necessarily get my face waxed, but I absolutely love these. These are amazing. So if you were looking for face blades that actually work, like, listen, you guys, I'm Italian, so I get like darker hair, I get like thicker hair like on the sides of my face, so I feel your pain, okay? If you wanted to try something, you need to check these out. They are amazing. I've repurchased them probably like 2 or 3 times at this point, because like I said, you get 12 in here, so I don't need to repurchase them all the time. But yeah, I absolutely love these, and I will continue to repurchase these because these are my absolute favorite. Okay, so I want to talk about 2 blushes. They're both $7 and they are freaking amazing and underrated. So I first want to talk about this from Catrice. This is the Catrice Blush Affair Cream and Powder Duo Palette. I've talked about this so many times on YouTube. I think I talked about it in Amazon favorites, in a monthly favorites. Like, I have just spoke about this so many times. So this is kind of new from Catrice. So on one side, which side is it? Yeah. So on this side, you get the cream. On this side, you get the powder. And if you guys know, you know. This is low-key a dupe for Patrick Ta. I feel the highlighter because I don't know where my like blush duo is, but it's the same type of concept. So just imagine that this is his blush palette. Instead of his highlighter palette, you get a cream and you get a powder. And you guys, I did a whole side-by-side like video on this, and I like this better than the Patrick Ta one. This is just amazing, and it's like $7 or $7.99. It's so inexpensive. It's actually criminal how inexpensive it is. Like, this, you guys, is absolutely stunning. Like, look at that pigment, and you guys, it lasts such a long time on the skin. Like, it's just beautiful. This is in the shade Peach Passion. I've traveled with it. I've spoke about it just so many times. It's amazing. So if you were looking for like a Patrick Ta dupe and you didn't want to spend the $40 on the freaking Patrick Ta one, you guys, this one is honestly better than it, and I absolutely love it. It's 10 out of 10, and as you guys can see, it's pretty beat up because I do use it all the time. It's amazing, and it's definitely underrated. We have another blush. So this is from the brand Lottie London. They actually sent this to me. This is in the shade Exposed. You guys, this is an ombre blush, but I'm absolutely freaking obsessed with it. This is only $7 on Amazon. You guys, I love this so much because it's a blush so you can build up. So it's not a blush that like goes on super, super intense. It is just a beautiful formula. Like, look at that color. Is the camera gonna pick it up? Look at that. It's so freaking beautiful. They come in so many different shades, and for $7, it also has like a slight like scent to it, but for $7, you guys, I absolutely love this. I use it all the time because I'm the type of girl that I don't want to like go in with like one dab with my brush and I get so much pigment. I want to be able to build it up, and that's exactly why I love this blush. I think it's so worth it. They come in so many different shades. Truthfully is such a beautiful blush. Looking for new blushes and you wanted like a kind of like 2-in-1, this is 10 out of 10. Comes in like I think like 4 or 5 shades. If you were just looking for a blush that you can kind of build and just is beautiful at the same time, then this from Lottie London. Like, I couldn't pick one because I do reach for them all the time because I absolutely love them. These blushes from Amazon are 10 out of 10. They are amazing, and I love when brands have their brands available like on Amazon because it just makes it so convenient, so I can just purchase it and get it in like a day. So 10 out of 10, recommend, absolutely love them. So this next product I have spoke about so many fucking times. It's actually crazy, and I have repurchased like these probably like 10 times. These are my favorite lashes ever. I think they're like $7 or $8, and you get 10 pairs of these. I'm actually wearing them right now, so those are the lashes I have on. These are half lashes, and as you guys can see, I have beat them to shit. I have used all of these. I literally have one set left. Guys, these are my favorite because they're easy, they're simple, they're affordable. Like, I don't need to go and spend $12 on one pair of lashes when I can spend $7 and get 10, okay? And they're beautiful half lashes. Like, I'm literally wearing them right now. They're amazing, they're beautiful, they're so easy to put on, and honestly, sometimes they can be a little cheap. Like, you can see this one right here. Like, I tried to take it off and I ripped the band, so I couldn't wear this. But you guys, that happens like in one pack. So I literally still have 9 other lashes. Like, it's not a big deal to me for the price point. I think they're amazing and they come in so many styles. So if you're not a half lash girly, if you want like a really dramatic lash, they have that option too. But for my girls that want to keep it simple, that don't want to spend too much time putting on lashes like me, you guys, I'm always in a rush. I'm always rushing. I'm always like, I gotta do this, I gotta do that, I gotta do this. So I need something that's quick and easy, and I love these because you just put them on and they just go on so freaking easy. I don't have to worry about like making sure the lash like sticks. Oh, I just poked my eye, but I don't have to worry about making sure my lash like sticks in a corner. Like, I can literally just put this on, be on my way. And for the price point, you would be a fool not to try these, okay? Especially if you're just getting into lashes. Like, I was never a lash girly because I could never fucking figure it the fuck out. And then I finally tried these, and you guys, I have never looked back. I wear lashes almost every single day because I'm obsessed with them. They are so amazing. Okay, so product number 10, I did replace another product to talk about this, and I'm kind of cheating because I literally just tried this maybe an hour ago. It's the bronzer that I'm wearing on my face right now. It's brand new. It's a brand new product. It just launched. This is from Covergirl. This is the Covergirl True Blend Skin Enhancer Contour Balm. And you guys, I did not think that I would love this the way that I did. Like, I knew that I would like it because I just had a feeling. Like, so many people were saying so many good things about it, but I didn't think that it would be as amazing as it is. It's the contour that I have on my skin right now. I have it over here on my forehead. I have it over here. You guys, this was like $12 and it is fucking phenomenal. Okay, I'm just gonna swatch it for you right there, just so you guys can see. It is so creamy and so pigmented, so blendable. It didn't go on muddy. It didn't leave any like weird streakiness on my skin. I literally did a whole TikTok review on it, so I'll probably upload it to short so you guys will see it. But you guys, this is amazing. Oh, I almost just broke it. I think they're kind of doing like a rebrand, and I'm so here for it because, like I said, a lot of the stuff that I've been trying recently, I have been loving. But this is number 10 because I was like, all right, I really want to talk about this because I just tried it and I feel like everybody needs to try it because it's so freaking good. I know I'm kind of cheating. Like, I really do apologize. So maybe like this is like top 9 Amazon recommendations, but I just had to include this in here because you guys, this product blew my mind when I tried it. If you're looking for an affordable like bronzer stick or like liquid bronzer, contour stick, whatever you want to call it, this, you guys, I do not think you'll be disappointed because I'm actually obsessed. Guys, so that completes this video. That was number 10. I hope you guys enjoyed. I feel like I come on here all the time and I talk about like 20 or 30 things at once, and I was like, you know what, I really want to do a dedicated video to like top 10 under 30 from Amazon, like my beauty/makeup must-have. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you did, and let me know in the comments if you're going to try any of these products, if you've ever tried any of these products, and what your thoughts are. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video.